1 week out from the second trial in the disappearance and presumed death of Bardstown mom Crystal Rogers. The trial of Brooks Houck and Joseph Lawson is set to begin on Tuesday in Warren County. It follows a guilty conviction of co-defendant Stephen Lawson last month for conspiracy to murder and tampering with physical evidence.
Wave News reporter Lena Noakes was in the courtroom for us in the case and has a look at what a Warren County jury can expect to hear.
Well, Brooks Houck and Joseph Lawson will be facing a jury together in the disappearance and death of Crystal Rogers in July 2015. Both are charged with tampering with evidence, but the two face slightly different murder charges. Houck is charged with complicity and Lawson with conspiracy. Prosecutors say Joseph Lawson and Brooks Houck both played a direct role in the disappearance of Crystal Rogers on the 4th of July weekend in 2015. Joseph's own dad, Steve, tying them both to the case in his May trial. Prosecutors playing a jail call where Steve said Houck told him he wanted Crystal gone. Also admitting on that call to helping Joseph with Rogers' car the night she disappeared, picking him up from the side of the Bluegrass Parkway where it was later found abandoned.
This person, Mr. Lawson, talking to his mother and somewhat confessing to some involvement as related to the car and other things, I think is damaging.
Joseph will have to defend himself against those claims in trial as he faces a conspiracy charge just like his dad. It's a bit more complex for Houck, Rogers' then boyfriend, charged with complicity.
Complicity is if they're actually participating, and then the conspiracy is if they help plan it. And are they in this common plan together?
Suspicion around Houck has existed since the very beginning.
He says he's 100% innocent, and maybe he is. Hopefully he is. Hopefully he hasn't done anything.
That shifted very quickly.
Well, did I not tell you when you come in here and sit down today that right now you're the main person of interest?
Yes, that's right.
And I explained to you the reason that you're the main person of interest, right? You're the last person to see her alive, right? And I went through your timeline with you and explained to you that there's gaps in your timeline.
A few months after that interview with police, Rogers was declared dead and Houck was named the main suspect. Allegations against Houck have slowly developed over the past 10 years, as has possible evidence yet to be made public. A trial begins with jury selection on Tuesday, June 24th in Warren County. Lena Noakes, Wave News.